Today is the freaking day. We are going to be spraying the S14, so it's one color again. Take a good look at the S14. This is the last time we're ever gonna see it in this shitty of a condition. Look at that. So you see, it got primer some places, white in some places, but it won't look like this for much longer. I got the car all washed and mainly all masked off and ready to spray. Let's go ahead, pull it into the booth and get started. Right, Jordan?
Yeah, it's gonna be bussin'.
Bussin'. In case you haven't watched the last video, which you should, here is the color I'm gonna be spraying the S14. Oh, wee. The camera does not pick it up, but this is Candy Apple Red. It has metallic flakes everywhere. It just looks so good. Look at it. So nice. I can't wait until the S14 is fully this color. It's gonna be bussin'. Alright y'all, check it out. The entire car is officially masked off, and as you can see, I used all paper because last time when I painted the S2K for the first time, I used plastic, and that plastic flipped over and landed on my paint, and that was a terrible experience. So now I'm being a little bit more cautious, hence the paper. Now that we got the entire car all masked up, let's go ahead, hit it with the last step before we can spray this thing, which is cleaning it with some alcohol-based cleaner and wax and grease remover. The car is completely clean now. I put water on the ground just to keep the dust down, and I went ahead and mixed up my sealer. So you already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna close the garage, turn on the booth, and then we'll spray sealer right away. Check it out. I just finished spraying the sealer. Everything went well except for the trunk. Let me show you guys why. So as I'm spraying it, I saw like a ring. Oh, can you guys see that? Right there. There's like a bunch of scratches right there. I think that's from putting shit on it after I finished prepping it already. I basically used this car for storage because I wasn't spraying it for a week. So now there's sand scratches right here. I'm probably gonna take some 400 grit and just sand it off, and then just respray the sealer. Maybe, just maybe, I might not have to respray sealer, but we're about to see. The scratches are pretty deep, so let's start sanding. Just a little bit. Alright boys, the sealer is all dry. Check it out. It doesn't look like a bird or a pigeon freaking stepped on my paint and just ran across. So we're good to go now. And since I'm painting this candy, if you guys don't know what that means, then that means that this paint is multiple layers. You have your sealer, of course, which should go on any paint job. And then you have your base coat, which is going to be a silver, and then a transparent tinted clear coat, which is the candy, and then clear coat. So right now we're gonna go ahead and mix up our silver and get right to spraying. This silver right here is what's gonna give us that bling bling in the paint. Let's give it a stir for you guys. Sheesh, look at that. Oh. Alright guys, it's game time. Let's go shoot some paint. I just went ahead and sprayed 3 coats of silver and it turned out so good. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks. Look at that. It looks super silky and smooth. I don't see any modeling, which is like areas that are darker than the rest. So that is a good sign. Everything came out super smooth. There's only one area that I think I kind of messed up on, and it's basically this door right here. So if you look closely, you'll see imperfections like right there and all throughout right here. But that's because as I was painting, I kind of whipped up the water that was on the ground and it flicked onto the door. And to be honest, this is a drift car. It's not gonna be perfect. I don't think I'm gonna care about it that much, so I'm just gonna go ahead, get our candy all mixed up and just shoot it right over it, because we're gonna full send this drift car. It's gonna get dinged up anyway, so we might as well just not care about it, or else it's gonna take even more time and more stress, and it's just not worth it. So let's go ahead and mix up our candy. This right here is gonna be the main attraction of this paint job. It's in this can right here. Let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. Boom. Okay. Let me give it a good stir so y'all can see what it looks like. Oh my God. Look at that. I know y'all see that right now. Oh, that looks so bussin'. Now that we got this all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my paint gun, and it's time to start spraying. just got done spraying 4 coats of Kandy on the car and it looks so dang good. Here is the S14 after just the Kandy, not even clear yet. As y'all can see, it came out super clean. The only bad thing is I had a butterfly in here, and I think while the paint was drying, the butterfly literally landed and walked all over my hood. It left his little footprints right there. But I'm not even that worried because this is a drift car once again, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing a Koki swap very soon. I just wanted to build the Zenki and see what it was going to be like, so that won't even matter. But it's like 2 a.m. right now. I think I'm gonna let this thing dry overnight and then I'll shoot some clear tomorrow just because I'm really tired and I don't want any mistakes to happen. So we will shoot clear first thing tomorrow morning, so I'll catch you guys then. What's up guys, it's now the next day and you guys know what that means? That means we're finishing the drift car today and we're gonna be spraying the clear, but I think my booth doesn't get enough airflow, so if I spray clear right now, the clear is just gonna land back on top of the car, make a weird orange peel or like hazy effect. So I picked up this big ass fan right there, so we're gonna hook that up and basically use that to spray the clear. All right, I think we're good to go. Alright y'all, I finally finished spraying the S14. I hammered on 4 coats of clear so we can do some cutting and buffing if we want to. Now it's time to show you guys the final product, and Nick hasn't seen the S14 quite yet, so I'm gonna get his reaction. Alright Nick, you ready?
Yes.
You think it's gonna be fire?
Yes.
Okay. Fire! Oh! What you think, Nick?
This is 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10? Sheesh, thanks, Nick. Well, guys, here is the new Kandy Apple Red S14. Look at that. That looks, oh, that looks so fire. Right, Nick?
Yes.
So fire. And check this out. I'm gonna dim the light so y'all can see the actual Kandy. Look at that. Look at how deep and rich the paint looks. It's like super dark around the edges and then it gets light. And Nick, check this out.
What?
I'm gonna shine my phone, okay? You see the flakes? Oh. Oh, I know you see the flakes, Nick. Look at that. Fire?
Yes. Hold on. Put it on max.
There we go. Look at that. Nick, what you think? Should we pull it out in the sun for them?
Yes.
So they can see the flakes?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Before we pull the car out, you want to help me unmask the car?
Oh.
So take off all that? Okay, go ahead. Just pull it off.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, from the tail gasket. Me and Nick went ahead and unmasked the whole car. You know what time it is now, Nick?
pull the car out.
Yes, sir. And I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna show myself how this looks like for the first time in the sun. Hopefully it looks super good and you can see the metallic flakes in the sun. Who knows? We're about to find out.
At least if it's painted. Go with it.
Facts.
Fire!
Fire! Oh my god. Y'all, this looks so freaking good. Should I show them? Should I show them? Alright, y'all, cue the cinematics. The camera is not doing this car any justice right now. It looks so good. I'm not even sure if it's picking up the metallic flakes here. Let me try to show you guys. Oh, right there. I think you guys can see it. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, that is bedazzling. Nick, you like it?
My hands has sparkles.
Your hand has sparkles? It has flakes now? This car looks so amazing right now, and it's not even done. We still have to assemble the car and put on the new body kit, which is just chilling right here. Look at that. Oh my god, this is going to look so bussin'. You think it's gonna look good once it's done?
Yes.
All right.
Better.
Yes, sir. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this new Kandy apple red paint. It looks so good. It legit looks like candy. Best paint? It legit looks like candy. Like, I want to go up and lick it. That's how good it looks. That pretty much wraps up today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and install everything in the next video, so this video isn't like 30 minutes long. So until next time, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe for more future content. We still gotta finish building this thing, and we got a Veris FRS to build right there. So until next time, peace out.